Hello class 2 students. Welcome to the online class of English subject. So today we will learn the first chapter of English subject. Do you know what is the name of the first chapter? The name of the first chapter is very interesting. And the name of the chapter is The Fancy Dress Party. What is the name of the chapter? The Fancy Dress Party. Kids, have you ever attended any fancy dress competition or fancy dress party? You must have attended. You must have attended any fancy dress competition which had been held at school. So today also we will read about the fancy dress party. Students, do you have any idea about the fancy dress party? What happens in the fancy dress party? In fancy dress party, some people are participating or some kids may participate. But the main thing is everybody wears different type of dresses which look some beautiful and which look some funny also. So today also this type of party is going on. Before going through the lesson, we should have a proper reading of the lesson. Let's start. The toys are excited. There is going to be a fancy dress party at midnight. Prizes will be given for the best dress and for the funniest dress. So, from these two lines, it is known that the fancy dress party is going on between some toys. Who are the participants? Toys are the participants. And this party is going to be held at midnight. What is the meaning of midnight? This type of question must arise in your mind. Midnight means the time 12 o'clock at night. Got it, students? And lastly, at the end, it has been decided that prizes will be given for the best dress and for the funniest dress. Two toys will be awarded. One is the toy who has won best dress, and the second one is who has won the funniest dress. Got it, students? Now come to the next line. Read. The big doll says, I am going to dress up as the fairy queen. Pink cat says, I will be an elephant. Because of this fun fancy dress party, the toys, all the toys participated in a conversation. A conversation was going on between the toys. So before knowing the toys' opinion, we should know that who are those toys. One is big doll. The next one is a cat whose color is pink. The pink cat. And the teddy, and the last one is baby doll. So, 4 toys are participating in this party. Now look, listen, what the big doll says. Big doll says that she will become a fairy queen. So, she will dress up as fairy queen. What is the meaning of fairy queen? Simply, fairy queen means परी. समझ में आया बच्चों? By listening the big doll's opinion, Pink Cat says, it's a very good idea that you will become a fairy queen. But I will become an elephant. What is the Pink Cat's view? Pink Cat has decided to dress up as an elephant. Got it? Now read the next sentence. All the toys laugh at this. The baby doll says it will be tough to go as an elephant. Listening the Pink Cat's word, every toy laughs at him. Why? Because everybody thinks that how a cat will become an elephant? Because it is very difficult work. So, Big Doll says, listening the Pink Cat's word, Big Doll says that it will be very difficult to become an elephant. Now, let's read the next sentence. I will walk backward and wave my tail so that everyone will think I am walking towards them, waving my trunk, says the Pink Cat. When the Pink Cat sees that everybody is laughing at him, then Pink Cat says that I have a tail and I will wave this tail and I will walk backward so that everybody will think that elephant is coming towards them waving its trunk. Today, what is the meaning of waving? Wave means you shook your waving means it's a type of greeting by moving your hand from side to side. What is waving? By moving your hand from side to side as a greeting. Got it, students? That means हाथ हिलाना. ऐसे हाथ हिलाना कि दूसरों को पता चले कि आप उसको ग्रीटिंग कर रहे हो. Got it, students? So, cat says that I will wave my tail in such a manner that everybody will think that elephant is waving its trunk and I will move backward. But everybody will think that cat is moving forward. That means elephant is moving forward waving its trunk. Trunk. What is the meaning of trunk today? Trunk means it's the nose of elephant. So this is the Pink Cat's view. So let's read the next paragraph or last paragraph of this page. Teddy is worried. He can't decide what to wear. He feels a sweet smell. It is coming from the waste paper basket. He looks inside the basket. One of the children had eaten a banana and thrown the yellow skin there. Teddy gets an idea. He will be a banana man. So, at last, Teddy gets worried. Worried means परेशान होना. Why? Because Teddy cannot decide what to wear, what he will become. So thinking like this, all of a sudden, he feels a sweet smell which was coming from a waste paper basket. What is the meaning of waste paper basket? The meaning of waste paper basket is dustbin. Everybody must know about the dustbin. What we will throw inside the dustbin today? Yes, we throw the waste of our house inside the dustbin. So Teddy feels a sweet smell which was coming from the dustbin, which has been kept at the corner of the room. And Teddy goes to that dustbin and looks inside into that dustbin. What it sees? It sees that one of the children had eaten a banana and thrown the yellow skin of the banana there. What the Teddy sees inside the dustbin? Teddy sees a yellow skin of banana inside the dustbin. Then all of a sudden, Teddy gets an idea. He thinks that, yes, it's a good idea. I will become a banana man. Got it today? So, 3 toys have decided their dresses. The first one, the big doll. Big doll decides to become a fairy queen. The second one, Pink Cat. Pink Cat decides to become a elephant. Third, Teddy. Teddy has decided to become a banana man. Got it today? I think that you are enjoying. So now, turn the next page. Look the picture. How beautiful. Big doll has been dressed up as a fairy queen. And the pink cat has been dressed up as an elephant. And the Teddy is there with a banana skin. So, let's read the next line. He goes to the baby doll in the banana skin. The baby doll likes that dress. Both of them go into a dark corner of the toy. Where they go? The dark corner of the toy cupboard to finish the dress. They don't want anyone to know. So what happens? After wearing a dress like a banana skin, the Teddy goes to the baby doll, and baby doll appreciates Teddy and likes his dress. Then what both of them do? Both of them go to the toy cupboard, which has been kept at the corner of the room, at the dark corner of the room. So, the corner was very dark, and at that one cupboard was there. They go there and dressed up as a banana man. Properly they dressed up. And the baby doll helps the baby to finish the dress. But both of them don't want anyone to know. So they want to keep it as secret that Teddy has become a banana man. Got it today? Next, come to the next paragraph. All the toys laugh and laugh when they see him. Teddy gets the prize for the funniest dress. The big doll wins the prize for the most beautiful dress. So Teddy dances in joy. Everyone claps. So students, look, it's very interesting. What is happening? When in the fancy dress party, all the toys with their fancy dresses come. All the toys laugh very loudly when they see Teddy, the big doll, the pink cat. So everybody laughs. And everybody enjoys the party. And at last what happened? It has been announced that Teddy will be awarded for the funniest dress and big doll will be awarded for the most beautiful dress. So got it, students? Teddy gets the prize for the funniest dress and the big doll gets the prize for the most beautiful dress. After getting the award, happily Teddy dances. So what happens? Teddy becomes very happy and dances in joy. Then everybody claps. Got it, students? So next, come to the last paragraph. Then the toys begin to take off their fancy dresses and put them away. But dear me, Teddy cannot open his dress. The big doll tries, the pink cat also. Then the baby doll comes. We pull him out of the banana skin. The toys say good night to each other and go to sleep. What happens at the completion of the fancy dress party? Each and every toy this start to take off their fancy dresses and keep it away. Everybody, what they do? They take off their fancy dress and keep it away. Similarly, Teddy also tries to take off its dress, but what happens? Teddy can't open his dress. So, Big Doll comes forward to him to help him to take off its dress, but Big Doll can't do it. Similarly, Pink Cat also comes to take out its dress, but Pink Cat also can't do. At last, the baby doll comes, who has helped him to dress up as a banana man. Baby doll comes and pulls the Teddy out of the banana skin. What happens? Finally, baby doll able to take off its fancy dress. So, this is the story. And at last, all the toys say good night to each other and they went for sleep. So, this is the total story. So students, have you enjoyed? Okay. So, you just imagine these toys and you just recall what we have studied today. So later on, we will provide next video. Now, come to the section of the hard words. First, trunk. Trunk means elephant's nose. Teddy. It's a very soft toy which is used by the children. Next, waste paper basket. It's nothing, it's a dustbin where we are throwing waste of our house. Cupboard. It's a place which is made of wood and which is built on the wall just for storing the things. So these are some hard words you can be able to understand. Now you just have a proper reading of the chapter, then recall my explanation. Thank you.